Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to simply just check on the rig in our storage facility and to put in our EVA dries. And those EVA dries I use to help keep dampness and excess moisture out of the RV, especially during these winter months. So hang tight. All right, so here we are. Hi, Gracie. How you doing? I forget our rig's name is Gracie. And we're just doing a little mid-winter maintenance, I guess. I like to come out and visit every once in a while, just kind of look things over, make sure things are okay. Nothing's been bothered. And I have these EVA dries. They're just these little silica-based dehumidifiers, and I've got 3 of them in the rig. The third one is in the back end of the slide. Oh, excuse me, the back end over the couch. And of course, I've already pulled the battery out, and it'll have to just absorb as much as it can. But I'm gonna put this in the kitchen and in the bedroom. So let's go check it out. And yes, I have already tried pressing the long pressing the number 1 button on the RV lock, and it does shut it off. But I came out here a while back, and I thought, oh man, the batteries are dead. And finally, I heard it, so I turned it back on. Since it's in storage. All right, yeah, sorry about the lighting, guys. Not much light in here. I'll do the best I can. One EVA dry. It's just gonna go right here for now. It's in the kitchen on the island. And then we'll take the second EVA dry. See if we get some more light in here. Let's pull the shade up. Ah, that's not so bad. I'll put the second EVA dry just right here, just to collect moisture the best we can inside the rig. During winter months, during storage, not much of an exciting episode, I understand, but it is just maintenance. All right, let's go check out the rest of the rig. All right, tires are looking good, other than just being dirty. I'm not gonna crawl underneath it today. It's been raining a lot. Cobwebs. It is middle of January. Everything looks great. Do need to so I tie wrapped all the excess wiring up here some time ago with a tie wrap, and it wasn't until another video, one of our videos, I was realizing I forgot to trim off the excess tie wrap. So I need to get up there and do that. Oh, these daggone black streaks. She needs a good bath. Well, we almost got it here straight, didn't we, guys? I guess that's a pretty big rig. This is a new neighbor, and he's in here almost straight. Everything's looking good. Shouldn't be anything in here. Nope. Dry. Good. I don't keep that screwed in all the way anyway, so even if there was something in there, it would come right out. And saw one video, this guy talked about these, if you put them over these vents, they actually may void your warranty. I'm not under warranty, but still, not cool. All right, everything's looking good. Gracie, looks like you're in good shape. This RV here is, we've become friends with these guys. Jerry, a lot of times when we're gone, our RV's out for the summer, he asked if he could use our spot to park his truck. Absolutely, you can. Lock her up. In addition to using the deadbolt lock, I do go ahead for long-term storage. For now, I have plans. We'll see if Tina joins me on those plans or not. I can go ahead and lock it all up. All right, so she's locked up. All right. So it's a 2019 Grand Design Reflection 150 series, and she's done pretty darn good. And good old Ram truck. I bought it in this January, almost 3 years now. Bought it in January of 2019. She's a 2017 truck. You wouldn't believe how I found this. Interesting note on how we got our truck. Back in 2019, no, it was actually 2018. In December, I was going to purchase a Ram 2500 with the gasoline, the 6.4 liter gasoline, the heavy duty. And so what happened December 30th, the day I was supposed to go buy it, my father had passed away. And so obviously I didn't go make a purchase for a truck. And so after everything was all done and everything with my father, then I went back in early, mid-January to go ahead and buy the truck, since I had already started that process. I already picked it out. The dealer was like getting it prepped for me, and they wouldn't honor the sale price that they gave me back in December. They said some of the, I guess the credits or whatever would not apply. So I started searching around for other vehicles and couldn't find what I wanted, and so I started searching used. So the interesting thing about this one is, because I was searching used, this showed up, and this was from a dealership up in Columbus, Indiana. And I found this one, and it had 700 miles on it, used. This is a 2017, and now we were in the January of 2019. So this guy had 2 years old and 700 miles. I thought that seemed like awful low. I thought that had to be a mistake. It had to be 7,000 or 17,000 or something like that. So called the dealer, and they said, no, it's 700 miles. And I'm like, why? How can that be? And what had happened was, this truck was to be given away for, I guess, marketing purposes. And they had driven it from Columbus, like to Indianapolis, to Louisville, maybe to Evansville, so in the area. And it, racked up 700 miles. And it had a recall on it, and the dealership had sent the recall papers in, they got it fixed, and then the dealership never got this is how I understand it, the dealership never got the paperwork back from Chrysler saying you could put it back on the market. So it sat for well over a year not on the market. So finally, when they got all that squared away, they put it on the market and added it to the used search list. So I found it, and 700 miles, diesel, which is what I really wanted to begin with, and made an offer, and they accepted it. And so I had, basically a brand new truck. Sorry, she's really dirty right now. No, sorry, he is really dirty. So here is George, and that is Gracie. George and Gracie. Can anybody guess what that relates to? Tina and I picked the names out based on a TV show that we were watching. Anyway, George, Gracie, let me know if you know what it is in the comments. Anyway, it's been a great truck. We love it. And it's way of an overkill for an F-150, excuse me, for a 150 series towable. But let me tell you, I like that. I like the fact that I don't have to really work this truck very hard in order to pull that. I would not want to pull that with an F-150 or a Ram 1500 or GMC 1500. I just wouldn't do it. I think this is almost a perfect balance right here, in my opinion. All right, enough of that. Heading to the store. Thanks for listening. Talk to you soon.